Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, one of my subscribers asked a really interesting question to me. And the question was, what is the fee for this new pathway where permanent residency for Canada would be issued to 90,000 essential work temporary workers and international graduates? All right, so we are going to explore this in this video. So I have opened the official link, and at the bottom they have given individual links, right? First one is to granting sponsor for foreign nationals. Then the foreign national, those who are have a recent credential from a Canadian post-secondary institution. Then from essential workers. So let's open the first link and let's scroll down. Let's see what they have written about the fee. Yes, we have a section for fee where they say any applicable fees, including fees for processing an application for permanent residence or for a permanent resident visa under subsection 25.21 of the Act, and the right of permanent residence fee must be paid at the time of application. That makes sense, means at the time of filing the application itself you pay the fee. Now right of permanent residence, that costs $500. Now let's go to the calculator and see where exactly this process could fall. Let's go through that. So now I have opened this official IRCC page for the fee list. So here if I scroll down, I have an option of permanent residence. So this program is under permanent residence. Let's see what options we have. So I have a right of permanent residence fee, that's right away $500. So there are certain exceptions like who don't need to pay. But for a general case, let's say a couple is applying, a husband primary applicant and wife dependent. So this itself will make it 2000. Now let's see what other fee applies. Business immigration, this is not a business immigration, so I won't go into that. It's not caregivers. Economic immigration will come later. Humanitarian and compassionate, it's not for that. It's not permanent resident card. It's not PRTD. Permit holders class. So this is like when they grant a status to an inadmissible foreign national. So that's not the case here. Protected person, that is not the case here. So if you remember, these new pilots have been included for economic recovery, so it may fall under economic immigration. Let's see what options we have. So we have similar pilot programs like agri-food pilot, Atlantic immigration pilot, CEC, federal skilled workers, federal skilled provincial nomination, RNIP, Quebec skilled workers. So other pilot programs which are under economic growth, they come here. So most probably this is also gonna come here. So for that, processing fee is $825 and RPR is 500. So that we have seen. So 825 plus 500 is 1325 per head in a general case. If you include your spouse, then that means 1325 into 2. So that is, again, it's gonna be, I mean, you can calculate. And if you are a dependent child, 2 to 5. So most probably, let's say for a single applicant, it's gonna be 1325. But yes, I'm not 100% sure about it. This will be clarified once more details are awaited. But as of now, this is what it looks like, the applicable fee. So but again, as I say, I'm not 100% sure and I am not the decision maker, but based on the information we have, this is what it looks like. Thanks for watching.